Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another product review. Today I'll be trying out the new Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. It says that it is made with pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. There are no sulfates or mineral oil. I bought this from my local beauty supply for $6.99 and it is 11.5 ounces of product. It don't smell natural to me. I don't know. To me it's not the most pleasant smell, but it's okay. It seemed like it's a pretty thick cream. I just recently washed my hair and it started to dry on me, so I'm gonna wet my hair some more. Let's get into this video. I am not sure what to expect with this product. I've never really tried any Cream of Nature products besides the detangler. So I'm hoping that it's a pretty good deep conditioner. So I do see that it's defining my hair. As far as how it's feeling right now, I don't know, I'm kind of iffy. Like, it doesn't feel as soft as my other deep conditioners. Maybe when I sit under my steamer, I'll feel a different texture in my hair. I'll feel like the moisture. But right now, I'm not really feeling all that. All I'm pretty much seeing right now is definition. Okay, so I have all the product in all of my hair. And like I said, so far I'm just seeing definition. I'm not really feeling a lot of moisture in my hair from this product. But I'm gonna go ahead and sit under my steamer for about 30 to 45 minutes. And I will be back to update you guys on how I'm feeling about this product. I went ahead and set under my steamer for 45 minutes. I haven't deep conditioned in a while, so I want to get a good treatment going on. So this is how my hair is looking, and I am feeling way more moisture after sitting up under the steamer. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse out my hair and see how my hair is feeling after I get done rinsing out all of this product. So the product is rinsed all out of my hair. And when it comes to the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask, I'm not really feeling this product. Let me show you guys my hair. So there is definition in my hair, but honestly, there is not a lot of moisture in my hair after I rinse out this product. So if I had to rate this product on a scale of 1 to 10, I would have to give it a 6. Like, it's not as terrible as a Cantu. Y'all know I absolutely hate Cantu, but it's not really on the level of a lot of products that I have reviewed. I mean, like the Curl's Daughter, the Miel, like I reviewed Shea Moisture. There's so many products that's better than this product. But like I said, it's like a step up from the Cantu. Now, it didn't strip my hair of moisture like the Cantu did, but this one, it didn't add moisture to my hair. Like, my hair feels like the same as it did pretty much like before I added any product. So that's pretty much like how I feel about this product. Let me know if you guys have tried this product in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about Creme of Nature as a brand. Like, how do you feel about their creams, their detanglers, shampoo? Let me know how you feel about it, because I've never really used too many of their products. I've only ever used the detangler, and now I've just tried the hair mask and I'm not really feeling it. But let me know how your hair liked it. But my hair texture, I didn't really love it at all. I'll probably honestly never use the product again. Again, I gave it like a 6 out of a 10. And I say that because it just didn't do anything more for my hair. I honestly probably could have skipped deep conditioning because it didn't do anything for me. So that is my honest opinion about the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. Give it a 6 out of a 10. So yeah, let me know how you guys feel about it in the comment section. And thank you all for watching this video. And I will see you next time. Bye.